Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can install and set up Keywords Everywhere in just a couple of minutes. So, you can start quickly enjoying the tool today. Let's get started. First, go to Google and type Keywords Everywhere. Now, click on the first website Keywords Everywhere. You can install this extension in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Now, click on Google Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome button. Click on Add Extension. Keywords Everywhere extension is installed. Now we have to activate this extension. To activate the Keywords Everywhere extension, you need to obtain an API key. Now, click on the Get API Key button. Enter your email address and agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Email me the API key. Check your email inbox and open the email. Click on the first link, then copy your API key, and now, click on Keywords Everywhere extension. Click on Settings, paste API key, and click on Validate. Now, Keyword Everywhere extension is activated. Keywords Everywhere is your all-in-one solution for boosting your online presence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.